Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to use filter on YouTube Shorts. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Alright, open YouTube and click on plus, start recording, stop recording, and click on accept, and click on filters, search filters, or select looks, soft, and modi, and click on accept or click on next. Right title, click on done, click on left corner pencil, change preview and click on done, visibility public or after post, select data and select time, AM or PM, click on OK, click on back, and click on save draft or upload shorts. That's all, bye.